Hi there. I just wanted to. This is Ross speaking, the artist behind the furniture map assets you're looking at right now. I just wanted to demonstrate what exactly is inside them, in particular the pack, because it's kind of hard to express in preview images. So essentially, we have the 300 unique assets, we have 511 asset variants, and we've got some pre-made, pre-furnished battle maps, and you can see those here. We've got several different layers of galleon, and they're all nicely furnished. And we got a lighthouse and a lonely tower. But anyway, assets. We've got these base assets. These are the unique kind of assets available in the base pack, and then the extended assets. What I've called asset variants. We've got color variations, so we can see this mattress, for example, a bunch of different colors. Not all of them attractive, but I've just opted to give you as many options as possible. Maybe you have some races that are colorblind in your world. Who knows? Of course, we've got all the cats. But yeah, as you can see here, it's just assets upon assets upon assets, and it goes all the way down. Also, dungeon draft files. You didn't see that in here, but they're also included. But that's the main thing I wanted to demonstrate is the asset variants. There's just too many to squeeze inside a preview image. So here they are in video form. Yeah. Okay, I hope that helps. And thank you for your consideration. I hope these all serve you well.